Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to clean a split air conditioner outdoor unit properly. I have already made part 1 where I show how to clean indoor unit properly. Check the link in the description. I am using a pressure washer to clean the condenser coils. I will be explaining each step in detail, so make sure you stick around the entire video. First, turn off the circuit breaker or MCB of the air conditioner. This is a Blue Star brand split air conditioner outdoor unit, so let's start disassembling it. Remove the screws of the top panel and lift the top panel. Remove the screws of the front panel. Unfasten the hooks from both sides. Pull and remove the front panel. Now let's start the cleaning process. With a steel extension tube that comes with this cleaning machine, clean the condenser coils. Start from the upper side and then go down slowly. Clean all the coils thoroughly back and forth. Make sure water should not get contact with the electronic component or PCB. Also clean the blades of a fan. Clean the front panel and the top panel. With this, the cleaning process is completed of the outdoor unit. Now install the front panel and tighten the all screws. And now install the top panel and tighten all the screws. So that was the whole process of cleaning the air conditioner outdoor unit properly. If you have any questions regarding this, let me know in the comments. You can also connect with me on Instagram. So that is all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel for more videos.